On will come the recording here. So I did have a couple items, as I said, I wanted to go over. One thing I wanted to highlight up front was the whole issue of logging in. I'll show you a putty section on the Windows client for logging in. It'd be similar with SSH. And bear in mind that when you're logging into a machine, you're going to be entering two pieces of information. What are those pieces? Username and password, yeah. Or login and password, as they're sometimes called, but it's really username. And if we connect, right now this is inactive, so let me start a section. I'm going to give my username there, and that prints it out as clear text. But when I'm typing my password, I'm actually typing it as I speak, but you don't see anything. The convention of providing feedback, character by character, that you had typed a character and thrown as an asterisk or a circle, full circle, or what have you. That's a rather new convention as it's applied widely. A lot of older systems, including Linux, do not have that convention. So just not because you're typing in and you don't see a response, don't assume that this thing's frozen up and that you have to restart it, something has gone wrong. It's going perfectly fine. It just didn't have that user interface convention of giving you feedback, which is admittedly a very good convention, but it's one of more recent vintage than the systems we're seeing here, at least it's widespread use. So don't expect on the login to immediately see that sort of feedback when you're entering your password. And many of you will be using SSH to go over, and you'll have the same experience. Okay? So that's a point of learning. So I'll